Hello, fellow artists. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a pumpkin. Okay, let's start drawing. Our paper is going to be horizontal. I'm going to use a Sharpie, but you can also use a pencil. And I'm going to start about at the top in the middle of the paper, and I'm going to curve up, around, and back down like this. And then I am going to do that on the other side, but I'm going to leave a gap here. For the stem, I'm going to go up, around, down, and I'm going to connect right here. Then I'm going to do a zigzag line here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to draw the stem here. So I'm going to curve up, do a diagonal line down, and then curve back in like that. I'm going to draw a few lines on the stem. Now I'm going to draw lines on the pumpkin. So I'm going to start at each corner of the stem. So notice I curve down on these ones. So I curve this way on these ones, and I curve this way on these ones. So I'm going to add a smiley face to my pumpkin. And now we are ready to color. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. If you go to my channel, you will find more drawing videos like this one. Bye!